yeah, guys, it's like an awesome hot air balloon. Looks like an awesome jet, no. Not a jet. Just a jet. That jet be rocking up the town. They be shooting everywhere. Missiles. They be killing everyone. Killing everyone. What? It's on this side.
No, I think it's on that side because the gym's right here.
Yeah, and the
over there.
air tower.
So yeah, that's where your school is.
What if they were dropping bombs in your school?
Yeah, they said we're in the line of fire or something like that. Yeah, see, the crash zone. That's where we're looking at the crash zone.
That's scary.
I know, like where would they build their school on the crash zone?
Just awesome. Come on.
I wonder if these are the ones that they're always flying over.
Those ones, definitely not those. Definitely not. Come on, let's go over here near the dog area. Come on, guys. Gosh, guys, this is awesome. Never been so cool. Nothing ever in my life has been as cool. Look at that. Dropping bombs everywhere. Oh my gosh. Is that? Oh my gosh. There is a nuke right there. Oh my gosh, there's a little nuke. Look at that. That's a flipping nuke. Oh my gosh, guys. Come on, you guys are like sales times 10. There's a nuke over there. Did you guys not see that nuke? Look, that nuke right there.
What is it?
Nuke. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Did you not see that? The nuke. The nuke. The nuke. Right there, Dad. Are you blind as a bat? Gosh, that's cool. Oh my gosh. Wow. Where do you find those like fan things? Look, oh, that's a good one right there. Can you buy something like that? Oh my gosh. Mom, it's a drone that I want right there.
A what?
A drone.
A drone.
No, the yellow one. The white, the small ones, Mom. Like the quadcopter ones. The drones. Why? It's everything I want here. Now look at that, Mom. There's a white drone. Ah, look. They have a drone. You see on the table? It's the white one. Dad, look, they have a drone that I want.
That's what Daddy did. You want me to?
Look, Dad.
Yeah.
You see the white thing on the table?
Uh-huh.
That's the drone that I want. It has a camera and you can record.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
That's what I've always wanted. You guys are like, yeah, it's so expensive. Not that expensive. Oh my gosh. This is like overloaded with jets. No way. No way. Is that actually what I think it is? They got a stealth bomber? Mom. I think that's a stealth bomber. No way. Whoa.
Did you see like a whole bunch of them? That was a lot of fire. Yeah.
God. Oh my gosh, there's a stealth bomber. Yay.
Oh yeah, we definitely tried to steal one. They're sick.
Awesome. This is awesome. I'm really surprised.
Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, my very, very good friend, Rob Ryder, one of the finest young narrators in the industry. And Will Troy, sir, duty air boss this weekend. Give him a round of applause. Let him know you enjoyed their part of Joy Services. San Antonio, Randolph. Thank you, Kenny Kreitz. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the guy who's been the voice of George Orwell for a long time.
I think this might be all for this rap video. So, I hope you like this Airshow that I have.